Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukula Tesitole. Guys, I'm back with another video. Guys, the reason I'm here is just thank you guys. Thank you so much guys for 1,000 subscribers, guys. Okay guys, this chicken I bought it from Pick n Pay, you guys. It was just a lazy day. I didn't want to cook, so I said, okay, let me just do something easy for my kids. I did not want to cook, so this is just boneless. I'm just gonna throw it in the air fryer, and yeah, I'm not gonna explain each and every step I'm doing because the main reason why I'm here is to thank you guys for your support. Wow, you guys have been amazing, guys. I haven't been here for quite some time now because I'm dealing with a lot of stuff right now. I've been dealing with some stuff. But guys, I'm back, I'm here, and I'm very grateful, guys, that even when I was not here, but you guys were still watching my videos. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? Thank you so much, guys. Yes, for 1,000 subscribers. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Another thing, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm with my kids and they're making noise, so I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, guys, as I was saying, you guys have been amazing. I was away, I haven't posted in a while, but you guys were watching my videos. And I was getting subscribers still, you guys. Thank you so much, you guys. For those of you guys who are YouTubers as well, please guys, don't quit, man. Don't quit. If you need a break, if you need to take a break, just take a break and come back. Do not quit. I know, guys, I know YouTubing is not easy, but just take a break and come back, guys. Please do not quit. Okay, guys, I'm going to air fry my chicken on 190 for 40 minutes. 20 minutes on one side and 20 minutes on the other side. And another thing I want to emphasize on, guys, please do not stop supporting small YouTubers. Please do not stop supporting small creators, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. Without your support, you cannot do it. And guys, I've seen you supporting me. Look at the chicken. Look at my chicken. Please do not stop. We need you. We need your support. And I see you guys. I see you in my channel. I see you. Okay, my chicken is now ready and it looks yummy. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.